So good afternoon. How are you doing?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Fine. How are you doing, ma'am?
So yeah, I'm doing good too. And today it's a holiday. So my
Yes,
kids are at home. So it is a busy day today.
yes.
So please introduce yourself.
Myself, Margaret. I am working as a staff nurse in the Urban Primary Health Center in Dharwad.
Harvard.
Yes.
Okay. So are you a native of Karnataka?
Yes, ma'am. Native of
Okay. Born and brought up where?
What, ma'am?
Where were you born and brought up? In Karnataka, Dharwad itself, or some other
Yes.
city?
No, no. Here only Karnataka only.
Okay. So well, tell me, are you looking to improve your English, or what is the matter?
Because I am working as a staff nurse, no? Some people are conversation with me in English, and in training also they are speaking in Kannada in training Kannada and also English also. But it is I wanted to improve my knowledge in English with conversation with my childrens and all people.
You want to improve English so that you can have a conversation with your children. Do you practice with your children? How old are they?
They are one child is 14 years old and another is 12, 11 years old.
Okay. Yeah, they're old enough. You can have a conversation with them. So, what is your qualification?
My qualification is I completed PCBS in general nursing course.
Dental nursing. So how is your professional life? Is it hectic? You happy with it? Any complaints?
No, no any complaint, ma'am. I'm happy with it.
Mm.
Sometimes I'm got terrified with this situations facing some problems and all. But anyhow, I can manage all.
Mm. So, as you were growing up in your growing years, did you like this medical field?
Yes, ma'am. Now I'm interested in this.
You always wanted to be in this medical field, like a nurse or something.
Day
Mm.
by day, it has come new situations facing no man. That we will improve that in our profession.
Mm. Mhm. Yeah, but I think you have to be like mentally very strong, right? When you are in the medical field, be it nursing or doctor, whatever, you have to
Sometimes,
have courage.
sometimes the doctors they didn't came to the hospitals and all. That time we were facing that case clients face. They are
Mm.
saying some situations, some their diseases and all. No, that time we got afraid, but we can handle them.
You have to, right? By virtue of your duty, it is your responsibility. You have to handle it.
Mm.
So any
How
case that you were like
I heard
really afraid,
what, ma'am?
is there any case that you were like really afraid or anything you want to share about your professional life? Any situation
Not,
that you
ma'am.
found difficult to handle?
That situation I didn't face, but one I face some many cases I face, ma'am. Without doctors, I can handle that cases and all. So like
Mm.
deliveries and all, and accident case and all. Came and I handled and I make suture and all. I treated them
It's
without.
normal to you.
Yes, yeah. Now it is I'm normal. The any cases it will came no. The I can't afraid of them. I handle in cool only.
You know,
Some some
it needs practice
some
for
sisters
everything.
are some sisters are afraid. Sister, how he reacting the she reacting the see the patient and all the some my colleagues are telling no why you are afraid no don't cool handle with cool only otherwise
Mm.
we can't handle them and in hurry burry we are handling them no we got the
You
patient
will make
got
a mistake.
patient got some problem create. So
You
that
might
we
create problem for
create
your patient.
calm. Whenever a patient came, no, we must calm and quietly accept all her what it means. What patient telling, no, we observe and we can hear
Mm.
the all their problems and all.
Yes, yes. When a patient comes to you, you have to have patience, you have to have courage, and you can listen to all their complaints. But if you are only like afraid and tensed, your mind will not work properly.
Mhm. Madam,
Mm.
I heard some your most of the videos in that you are told in IELTS completion of IELTS. No, but how can you? I wanted to do that IELTS and all, but give me
So are
suggestions
you
for that.
planning to go abroad?
Sometime I wanted to do go for the in the completion of the IELTS. I wanted to go planning.
Yes, IELTS it is you need a lot of preparation
Yes,
because
ma'am.
you have to there will be a certain band that you have to achieve. I think it is 7 or 8, I'm not sure. So only if you achieve that band, then you are eligible to go and study abroad. But if you want to work abroad, I think there has to be something else, some other exam. So maybe you can
Austria,
research about it. Yeah.
Austria and all, ma'am.
Yeah, some other exam will be. I don't know how important English is for that. Because obviously, when you want to go abroad, English is very important. I think you have to prepare a lot because you need to improve your
Mm,
English even more because you're not just sure
mm.
about your grammaticals. Your grammar is weak, so you have to focus more on your English, and it needs a lot of practice if you want to give an exam like IELTS or OET or whatever. You have
Mm.
to prepare well.
I
Because there will be like it is not
actually
that one they
it
will ask
is
you one question and you have to answer. It is not like that. You will have reading practice also. You will have listening module also. That will be for 2 to 3 hours. So you need a lot of English to write these exams.
Mhm. How much it is cost in IELTS in completion?
I have no idea. Maybe around 16 to 20,000. I think. I didn't research lately. Recently, I have not researched about it. Maybe it might cost that much. I gave my IELTS like 15 years ago. No, 13 years ago, I think. 12 to 13 years ago. So I don't remember the fees as of now. You can search it on Google and you will come to know. What do your children want to become? Like now they're already like 14, 15. So do they have any aim in life? What do they want to become career wise?
I'm not that much of taking decision for them. Chosen is theirs only.
Yeah. But do they have anything in their mind already that I have to become this or anything?
I'm my elder son is now it is now ninth standard studying. He is now going 10th standard. After that, I want to he some any degree and all some.
Mm. Mm.
And his height is very well good. But I interested to do the police and all.
Mm. Yeah, that's a good profession to enter.
Mm,
Mm.
that much only, ma'am. But in because I wanted to study means learn the English means I childhood I am complete my only English medium.
You
Kannada
studied in
Kannada
English medium?
Kannada only, madam. I
Oh.
Kannada medium studied, but so that I have to improve my knowledge now.
Mm.
In the field, in working field, I'm telling so many my colleagues and friends and all. Please conversation with me in English. They are laughing. So that
Yes, it feels awkward, right? From
he
so
was
many years.
laughing.
Yeah.
Even they are laughing. No, we can't improve my our English and all. So that I chosen like that. Half an hour only we I got some English knowledge and all.
Yes, yes.
So that
Any
I
little amount of practice also will help you. Are you talking to other people also like this on video calls?
Somebody, already talking, ma'am. 4 times I talking.
Okay.
That time
Nice.
before I got them. I preferred you, ma'am. That you
Mhm.
go. That time you are coming with the in talkie. You
Ah.
prepared your own YouTube channels and all that time.
Mm.
Yeah. So that I got you, ma'am. I didn't got you.
Yes, yes. I used to work for Inktalki, but I stopped working there. Now I'm working independently.
That
Mhm.
time I'm got sending messages from you to you, and
Yeah.
it is quite difficult to me. That time you are busy time.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am, giving this
Mhm.
opportunity. Because yesterday I got work, so that today I taken the week off.
Okay, okay, okay. That is it. But it's not. Are you working in the government sector?
Government sector, but contractual basis.
Okay. So how many years of experience do you have as a nurse?
I'm I'm now 9 years experience, ma'am. Continue.
9 years of experience. So after your marriage, you started working as a nurse?
After marriage.
After your children were born, rather.
Before I got my job, but in there it is also a NHM and contractual basis. They won't give transfer and all,
Hmm.
district to district. So that I resigned that for previous after the marriage. Again I get here contractual
Hmm.
basis.
It is nice, right? You if you get to work in the same place where you are living, it is a
Yes,
good
ma'am.
thing. Hmm. Yeah.
It is
Now that you
here
are
near
used to,
also. It is close my home sector, ma'am.
oh, it is
It
close
is
to your home.
yes, 5 minutes only.
Mhm. Is it a quarters? Do you live in a quarters?
No, ma'am. It
No?
is our own
Oh,
house,
okay, okay. Mhm.
and it is
Yeah.
a police hospital like that. Urban primary health centers.
Mhm. Now that you're used to seeing all this blood and everything, you are pretty okay with it, right? But when I'm traveling or something, if I see some accident or something, it is very difficult to even sleep on that day. It will remain with you for a long time. So this happened, like this, it happened. We're feeling sorry about the incident. Yeah, but
Hmm.
even mentally also, you will be getting training that this is normal. This happens with everybody.
Sometimes I like to play with my work.
Ah.
It is not taking any horrible for me. I
Mhm.
can handle with cool and some.
But initial days, was it difficult?
What, ma'am?
Initial days in the starting when you started working in this field, was it difficult for you?
First.
Yeah, first
No,
when you
ma'am.
joined.
No. I initially also I'm mentally strong, ma'am.
Bold
Not got
person.
hesitations and all, and not got any some my class friends and all having seeing some bloodstains. No, so they are giddiness having that
Ah, giddiness, vomiting.
vomiting and all, but I don't have any that's signs and symptoms and all.
I think you were made for this profession. I think you are not like, emotional person. You are very practical, I think so.
One time I first in the joining after my completion of training. No, I am working as a staff nurse in the Haveri district.
Okay.
Haveri. That time there is a Neglur PSC primary health center is there. There any nobody appointed as a medical officer. That time
Mhm.
one delivery has come. I handled that alone that delivery and all.
Mm. That is something that is a very nice feeling, right? When you handle a delivery and when the baby comes out. That is a very nice feeling.
After a nice feeling, and after that 2 to 3 years, no, they are telling when I was growing that road and all, no, the in front of their house, they are saying she is delivered you
Oh.
like that. Their babies they are telling.
Oh. They will remember it throughout their life, that
Yes.
you were there at that time.
Now
Oh.
also sometime anytime we went no there Kaveri, they are remembering me.
They remember you still.
Sister, how are you? Sister, how
Oh,
are you? They are asking like that.
that will make you happy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we will end the session.
Tell me about my feedback, ma'am. My English.
Yeah, your English, right? Your grammar is weak. You need to improve on your grammar a lot. Like past
Mm,
tense, present tense, tenses you're not able to identify properly.
mm.
Yeah, that the thing is there. And if you see the recording of this video, you will be able to realize how many mistakes are there in the English.
Suddenly, I am what on the conversation. No, that time my mind is stuck. What it next come and what it will telling.
Because you have lack of practice.
How? Oh yeah, that like that I wanted to tell. No, yeah,
Uh,
that
yeah, then
next
see the
time.
recording and learn. See this recording again, correct your sentences. This shouldn't be like this. This should have been like this. Correct yourself like that. Next time when you do make a speaking practice with somebody else, that you have to put all this into practice. You should not repeat the same mistakes again. And I would say speak every day to somebody like this.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Do conversation on a daily basis. That
Next
will
time,
help you.
another give me a chance to you.
Yeah, yeah. If I am available, definitely I will.
Okay.
Mhm. Okay, okay. Nice talking to you. All the best.
Thank
Bye.
you.